Prakriti, who is a consultant physician on MFine, and I will be giving you a brief idea on what is uric acid, what are the symptoms of uric acid, how do you reduce it, and the treatment that is given for elevated uric acid. What is uric acid? Uric acid is a chemical substance that is a breakdown product of purines and mainly proteins. It is excreted by the kidney. Now coming to what can cause uric acid to become high. There are two instances where uric acid will be increased. There is an increased production due to high intake of purine, rich diet or cell breakdown. Or the other reason might be there is something wrong with the kidney to excrete the uric acid that has been produced due to certain medication or certain problems within the kidney. It is seen more in men than women. Coming to what are the symptoms of uric acid, that is, what happens when your uric acid levels are high. Most individuals do not present with any symptoms even though they have high uric acid levels. This is a condition called as hyperuricemia and can lead to several diseases. High uric acid symptoms are observed in almost 1/3 of the patients. When uric acid is increased, it will get deposited in organs like skin and joints. Uric acid is deposited in joints. This condition is called as gout. When the tissue in the joints has deposition of these elevated uric acid, what happens is, due to certain factors like seasonal variations, these uric acid crystallize and deposit in a form of salt in the joints. This leads to a painful condition called as gout. They manifest as a painful joint with redness and warmth, most commonly seen in big toe, is one of the most common uric acid symptoms. If acute episodes happen recurrently, then this can turn into chronic gout, which can lead to permanent destruction of the joint. Another organ affected by high uric acid levels is the kidney. High uric acid levels can lead to uric acid stones, which is due to the deposition of these crystals in the kidneys over a period of time. Rarely, it can lead to kidney failure, symptoms of which are pain while urinating, difficulty urinating, blood in the urine, pain in the flank area, vomiting and nausea. How to reduce uric acid? In asymptomatic patients, increased uric acid treatment includes mostly dietary changes and lifestyle modifications, as medications are not usually prescribed as a part of uric acid treatment. Low purine intake or low purine diet is to be followed, and to avoid foods such as red meat, fish, seafood, alcohol, excess caffeine intake, beans and peas, soft drinks or packaged drinks with high sugar or fructose content. Apart from these, exercise is also an important, but remember to avoid high intensity exercise which can cause flare up of gout. Weight reduction also is crucial in factoring in the reduction of uric acid. In a few patients, medication is prescribed when uric acid is above 9 mg/dL and there is a high chances of having gout. Now, coming to the treatment of elevated uric acid levels. In the case of acute gout, medication to reduce inflammation are given like colchicine and NSAIDs, which help settle the symptoms. Once the episode settles down, uric acid treatment is started by giving allopurinol and febuxostat, which help decrease the levels. Medication to help the kidney excrete the uric acid like probinazid is prescribed. Medication to increase the alkalinity of the urine to help excrete the uric acid like potassium citrate can also be prescribed. Now, once all that is done, if the symptoms have still not subsided, steroids can be given in severe cases or where there is a destruction of the gland. Other FDA approved medications like acetazolamide and pegloticase can be prescribed by the physicians treating you. Now that you have understood what are the symptoms of uric acid, how to reduce uric acid, and what medications are prescribed as a part of uric acid treatment, if you have ever had such symptoms of uric acid, do text us in the comment box. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and share this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to the MFine channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update.